laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass Nayo Health.
Just 3 years ago, one Cameroon singer, what did they call Tensia? She don't bring out one cream where, according to Ram, go comot all the black spots within your body. The name of that cream, Whitenicious. Another South African celebrity, winner Shoza Nisi. He don't come outside with confidence here and say, na yellow body na in the rain. What would they talk? Make we come back our own Nigerian soil. Our very own celebrity, Tonto Dike, don't come outside here and say, if you know they're happy with your color, you fit to change them more. I salute all of you now where they watch us today on Top Wazobia TV. This Nayo Health, the one show where everybody be shareholder for the matter. For today group, only you one, your ear go stand. You self go bone that thing. Seka say, for this date, you go know waiting the shelle. With our wash quiz, then we dey formulate our Gengen 5. Or your access make you for no deflate. Today matter, now something where plenty women know, girls or even men don't they do. Now waiting oyinbo what they call skin bleaching. Waiting be skin bleaching.
Skin bleaching now when person just go carry cream. If you say you not like the blacky way in body, you just carry cream, rub them, you can't change them from the color we been day before, turn them to another color.
Now you know say for even this our Nigeria what they talk. Sabi people for obodo the world, they don't come outside, come talk say na Nigeria na be #1 for inside bleaching billboard. They say after us, they say Togo na they take 29%, while Benin na get 27%. You know say when Sabi people talk this thing, we not believe them more until they decide say they go ask Nigerian people them. And most people say over 90% of Nigeria babes na they bleach, doctor.
Now so we see people for this country not just like as their color be. As in babes, them just feel say, and not be their fault. Now wait, now the mentality where they don't train us with. Say if you know yellow, you know fine. You know fine like this, Lucy.
My sister, I said so.
See as you just they shine.
Baby, I know.
But now so they just feel more. Say if they know yellow, they don't go fine. So now the problem we they face for this country be that.
To add salt to the injury, Sabi people don't come ask these people why then they bleach. Doctor, did they see the statistics when they talk to?
I see them. They say 35%. They say they want look beautiful. 32% say they won't make men. They notice them, brothers and sisters. 15% can talk say now waiting they rain be that. Then 8% say now for medical reasons. But from waiting we don't see. Not be only young babes they bleach. Even old women and guys self follow for this drama. From 18 years go with 65 years old. Nobody want here say them carry last for the matter. No be small begeo, see competition.
This is what they call skin bleaching, alias yellow pawpaw, alias Coke and Fanta. In fact, alias yellow fever. Waiting it be and waiting make it good, especially as more and more people don't they do them nowadays. When we come back, we go download all the information you never hear before about artificial yellow pawpaw, why people they do them, and the thing with the inside bleaching cream.
Even the kind kasala where they cost for body. No fear, as we go also dish out to una how you fit manage your body, make you know for to spend, plus including how we not go release everything. If you want hear the remaining, pesimele for where you dey. We dey come back.
No go anywhere. Nayo Health will soon return. Nayo Health don't return.
Hope say no be only you waka come. Welcome back.
Oh, you are ready now because your ear go stand. Shey una know our one and only Wako Jacko, Michael Jackson of life. My boyfriend that year.
Who dash you for waiting?
Now you know for my dream now. Let me talk say he gets one disease where they do person for skin. When Oyibo they call vitiligo, aka patch. We agree, but not tell anybody say now we tell you.
Follow.
One of the major things where they cause this vitiligo in Hama, Now some of the chemicals where they inside bleaching cream. If person don't to rub this bleaching cream, they come. It go they make person body to they get this patch. According to the person where writes MJ Life Story, them discover say in plus in sister Latoya.
Oh my baby.
Then they use waiting oyibo they call over-the-counter skin bleaching cream. With the name now, Porcelana.
That's the name sweet for body.
Make them the yellow they go saute. Now this part I like pass. Then pack crates keep for their family house for Havenhurst. There is God, oh.
But you know what thing? This this bleaching cream, where they do so, the time when they be make them, they be make them for certain people where we get some kind of medical condition.
True.
Some people where they see say maybe like their face now, one side of their face, they very dark.
Yes.
Those kind of people now ain't supposed they get that name, Two-Face. Supposed to get that name,
when you talk
Two-Face. Another gist we want sunshine and I say long time ago.
Yes.
Oyibo women for England, they be the rub pieces for their body. Sake of say, if they make their skin they shine. I beg you, follow me help judge this matter. For present day, some people don't they create their own synthetic piece chemicals them. They follow mix this piece for inside their cream so that big babes and bobo whiskers they go feed the rubber.
Oh lo, time don't reach where we go. Back break, enter market, go buy cream where we go use rub, make our own skin to they do shine bubble. We go give una more tori on top yellow matter. No go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
As we dey talk skin bleaching. Now when person they use different chemicals them to change in color from Coke to Fanta. Not be small thing, no. And that na the matter where they ground today. All the things where they make people do we don't yarn them before, and how the thing they affect person body. Now there we dey so just ready because we go dish una plenty better informate on top the matter.
You know, say we black people, God don't bless us well. The blessing where we get, Oyinbo people not even buy them, no matter the amount of money we they decide to pay for them. Now, this thing we get for our body, Oyinbo they call them melanin. And now this melanin, now they make us the black. In fact, this melanin, now they protect us from that sun where they hot past frying oil. True. You know, say, this melanin where would they come out? So where some people they use bleaching cream they come out. If they use the cream they come out the melanin for their body. They no fit do plenty things with this their skin. It get as the skin go day. Even when they want operate and safe, they no go fit they join them. Why? Because the skin you don't come out all the layers one after the other. Yes, after the other. The melanin safe now they protect us from waiting Oyibo people they call ultraviolet rays where they for inside sun.
It gets reason why that soldier dey our body, and you know the other people. I mean Oyibo people own. As our weather and Oyibo people weather different. The thing where all these people know be say most of these skin bleaching creams them that they get wicked chemicals when they inside. The main guy for most bleaching cream now hydroquinone. You fit still hear people they call them benzene 1.
Big grammar.
That na the name where sabi people they use if they want blow grammar. Other small pikin wey them get for bleaching cream. Now the oxyabutane, glycolic acid, kojic acid.
Your papa say you go school.
Not be only chemicals there inside bleaching cream. Some natural agbo follow safe.
You know as we always talk say, united we stand, divided we fall. That's what these chemicals safe be. Now only when they don't come together, now they feel bleach the working bleachingly. Their major assignment now to make sure say that black soldier what would they call melanin, where they born us with, you know go get mouth to do that work we're supposed to.
At all.
Now once they don't handcuff that black soldier, bam, chicken. Now them go come be champion for the parade ground.
Yes, so. This hydroquinone, if you hear the bad things where they do for body, you go fear now. It they cause skin cancer. Bam. When sun too they beat person where use them. Then you see they cause direct skin cancer. This will not be from sun again, or not from the cream itself. Then it they scatter person immune system. If you do bad thing for inside the reproductive system, as in person go just dey sick on top cream where they rub. Then on top all that one, US Cosmetics Ingredients Review Panel, Oyibo, then talk say hydroquinone no good to dey use inside cream where we dey rub for body. This one na ogbonge organization we talk am, and then they don't even ban them from some obodo them.
No, doctor.
Yes, so.
This hydroquinone wey dey for inside our body cream. The thing, no, they just come. No, they don't. As they rub am for your skin, not be only your skin. No, it they penetrate your skin. They enter your blood.
Not be smart thing.
And when the thing enter your blood, the kind mago and commotion where they cause.
That now why people
Fuji house of commotion not even near them.
True.
Now, the thing they affect your immune system. The immune system now those soldiers we suppose they protect your body. They fight against any kind thing where they come inside. But when those soldiers know they again, what do you want me then do? How you want make our body take get power to take fight any other thing? Now because of all these ones, now they make our body know they catch. Now, Gengen 5, now you don't dey for your domot.
Yes,
you don't they knock, po. So make you open door for them because we still there here for you on top Wazobia TV. No go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. E get where soap and water no go reach, and na there this cleansing dey take over. This one no be spiritual bath as you dey reason am. Na special water where they comot all those dirty wey stubborn for body. You know, as we get stubborn pikin, stubborn dirty sef e dey. Na dem no dey gree make your face dey receive fresh air. Cleanser get level, as no be all fingers dey equal. Depending on how your body be, some dey very hot while others no dey pepper for face. Just find the one wey your body like. Massage am for at least 20 seconds make e enter your skin wella. Na 55% to 75% of inside our body na im water dey kolobi. And na the water wey dey comot all the yamayama from our body o. Without water, our body no go fit use all the food wey we dey chop. Na im still dey make sure say digestion dey follow im own due process. So all that water wey you dey drink so, e no dey ever dey constant for body, as e dey go plenty message for inside our body. Even the sweat wey dey comot from us, na water e be o. Breathing nko, water dey use our opportunity to vamoose from our body. So therefore, to balance vamoosing water, na im be say your body need at least 1 gallon of water every day. Na water dey comot all the dirty wey dey cause pimples, aka acne for body. No think am too much, but wetin you hear so na true. We sef need sunscreen because e get as this our loving sun go hammer you so tey your brain sef go boil inside your medulla oblongata. But seriously, because we be very special people, our body fit tolerate heat from sun. We get our special inbuilt body protection, but e get as the sun go be when we go gats use sunscreen. And this sunscreen na body cream on a higher level. The sunscreen will protect our beautiful, shiny, ebony beauty. That sunscreen will make sure say we no get patch for body wey black pass other parts of this our body. Normally, our skin get protection where they reach the level of wetin sabi people they call SPF 13.4. And this SPF will protect our body from those loving sun rays. We suppose get protection of at least SPF 30 and above. So you sef don see say sunscreen dey very important for ebony people.
I know say we promise una say we go give you Gengen 5. Make you know vex, we don't try now. We shall give you 3. If you want more, if you waka go our website for wazobiatv.tv/na your health. Make you collect the remaining 2.
Person wey no hear be careful. In go here how manage. You don't see am with your 2 eyes now. The things where you need to make your body day very, very beautiful.
Yes, sir.
After they carry the ministry waka go front, we will ask 1 or 2 questions for inside our wash quiz. Dr. Dora, you know say now you had ever asked my question anytime.
Yes.
Why it be say people when they bleach, they always get patch for body, even after they bleach with the cream?
My sister, we don't talk am before. See all the chemicals where they inside bleaching cream. Then they destroy the skin cells. They will come destroy them from the epidermis, that's the outside one, go inside. And the work where they do, they even, as in other words, they spread, go everywhere at the same time. So melanin go work for some parts, melanin no go work for some kind parts. So it go they make the body to get patch. Now, so even sunburn, when they rub the cream finish, they come out for sun too. The sun go come burn some areas. You come they see, why you get some girls, if you see their face, like this, you go see black. All those chemicals, now everything that they do, they destroy skin. So good. Good to they use bleaching cream, my sister. You can tell them.
Oh, doctor, you already talk. Well, I know say you get your own question where you yourself won't ask me.
Of course. I always like to ask you a question. The main guy where they ginger the bleaching for inside cream, why he be say he still the other normal cream where people they use?
Say this hydroquinone we would ever talk about, say it no good. It gets some kind amount we supposed they for inside cream. And our joint body group, when a standard organization of Nigeria, under our federal government, get your own pikin where they monitor all these things, and that pikin are NAFDAC.
Okay.
NAFDAC they make sure say the amount of hydroquinone where they for body cream where they acceptable. That mean say anybody feel use them, it not supposed pass 2%. Or how way pass 2%? That one mean say don't they enter left for another person trouser be that.
My sister, I go counter you for that one, no. Because even that 2% hydroquinone is still not good. Like me now, if I want to buy cream, I go just read the ingredients for back. If I just see 2% hydroquinone, I not even buy them.
You see? Because
it still get cream where you go use, when you rub them, it go they bring out your real color, but they maintain them for you, and it not go damage your skin cells. So as far as I'm concerned, it is a no for hydroquinone.
Oh, I don't hear them now. Well, it get also another one where people they always wonder say, this hydroquinone. So it means say people where they get two face. May they not use any cream we get hydroquinone at all.
No. Those kind of people now them they make them for. Now because of them, even though the thing not go make it be one color, at least it go make that place they lighter than as it be before. So now them get this hydroquinone really. Not be all this one where all our big girls them when they use the thing like say it is well.
Well, I know say some of them are waiting for there. Don't they hungry you to chook mouth for inside this matter? Waka go our Facebook page, Twitter, and even our website. Now for there, all of us go drink popo gari and fish. Now there, 9 big girls they rub shoulder. We they show ourselves. Yes. Even behind the scenes footage, you will get her for there. Say petroleum jelly get even betterness for our skin. Omalicha no cost so. Now would they bring comfort on so?
Yes, so
people they hear the watch.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health don't return.
I don't sabi the secret of Tyra Banks beauty. No toxin now we talk amo. Na petroleum jelly. Cream we get better oil. It dey make dry skin dey kampe. Take of say it go waka enter all the corrode where they inside our skin to make all this corrode disappear. This petroleum jelly, it dey work wonders where you never sabi. If you wound for body, after you don't cream and finish, just rub small petroleum jelly, PJ for short. You go see as the wound jaw will quick heal. Under your leg don't get tear, mark full everywhere and you dey shame. I know say pedicure na the first thing where you dey reason. But just before you go spend that money, use petroleum jelly, rub for under your leg. Wear socks, go sleep for night. When you wake up for morning, you go see say all the tear mark, they don't come out. As you dey go, your face go dey squeeze, come dey dry. I know say many of us no like to know how we go be for old age. But if you fit manage your body now, when that time come, you go dey appreciate them. Some go talk say anti-aging cream go solve this problem. Not be as you think because some of those cream then get waiting go even make your face dry past as it be before. So the best natural solution na to dey use petroleum jelly. They rub them small, make it dey comot the wrinkles wey dey your face.
Semi last, say now waiting you put for inside your body, now you go come out again. So it good make you dey chow better food. All this one, they help make your skin shine. Not be only cream. It pass cream. They chop good food. And fruits, very, very important, because all these fruits, they get plenty vitamins and minerals where they make our body day kajad.
Very, very true. As Oyibo people, they always talk, garbage in, na garbage out. Use better products where get natural ingredients, they clean your skin. Citric acid, that na acid where they for fruits like orange, pineapple, apple. This acid go help you lighten your skin with no side effects.
If you want change your skin color, whether na natural method you want use or an artificial one, make you first work out with confidence. Go see your skin doctor, aka dermatologist. Make you no turn to shoot bird in mama fly. As for me, Doc,
and your Ninja half caste will be black and will they proud.
Bye.